Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Are you looking forward to the release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? An insider showed the most accurate design look of the new upcoming smartphone. ICE Universe has already seen the new product design. The launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is approaching, and a new leak reveals some changes, practically in terms of the design of the device. Famous tech insider ICE Universe shared on his Twitter account and Chinese social network Weibo a rendering of the future Galaxy, where we discover that the dimensions are not the same as those of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and that the borders of the panel have also been modified. He notes that the frame will have the same width on all sides and the cutout for the front camera will be smaller. Previously, he said that he had already had the opportunity to get acquainted with the real smartphone, which looks just great. The real Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone looks great, even better than we expected. The black frame became symmetrical and the hole also changed. It became smaller and moved down a little. Everyone will love this design. Samsung is getting up to introduce the Galaxy S24 lineup, comprising the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra on January 17, 2024. The launch event is expected to take place in San Francisco, USA as per the latest leaks. The new Galaxy S24 lineup is rumored to feature a titanium frame, enhancing durability and providing a premium feel. Global variants may come equipped with Exynos chipset, while the Asian models could feature a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It seems obvious that Samsung will use its own Exynos 2400 chipset on some models of the Galaxy S24 lineup. What makes the most sense is for Samsung to borrow from Apple. On the other hand, we are starting to hear rumors about the Exynos 2500 from Ori XDA as reported by Notebook Check. Like the Exynos 2400, its successor, the Exynos 2500, will be a deca-core chip will be used in the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup, but the configuration would include 3 performance cores and 2 slower performance cores compared to the 2 performance cores and 3 slower cores of the Exynos 2400 chipset. According to the available data, the release of the new line of Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone is expected early next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.